how to log in to UniBg account. So if you want to log into UniBg account, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for UniBg login. And once you have searched, now you can simply go for the first search, which will be unibg.it under Sportello. Now you can simply translate the page if you're uncomfortable. And once you translate, now you can simply go for menu, which is on the upper right, or which has that 3-bar icon. And here you can go for login. And once you go for login, it will take you to the login page. Now you can go for university or SPID or CIE. So I'll be choosing university. First, you need to enter your username on the first blank. Once you enter your username, you need to enter your password on the next blank. But if you don't remember your password, then you can go for forgot your password. Or if you don't remember your username, you can go for forgot your username so that you can get some help while logging into your account. Or if you get some errors while logging in, then you can also contact to the support team so that you can get some help. But if you remember your password, then enter your password. And once you enter your password, you can simply click on sign in. And once you click on sign in, it will log you into your UniBg account. So that's it. That's how you log into your UniBg account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.